Smart Learning to the Smart Learners. I am Dr. Shobha, Principal, Associate Professor and Head of the Department of Corporate Secretaryship, K.C.S.Kasi, Nadar College of Arts and Science, here to present on statistics. You may find this video in my YouTube channel, Smart Learning with Dr. Shobha Edward. Now, we shall have a practical problem on index numbers. So this will be covering the weighted index numbers, that is the Laspier's, Pasch's, Fisher's ideal index number, the Bowley's or Dorbish method, Marshall-Edgeworth method and the Kelly's method. It will also cover the time reversal test and the factor reversal test, proving that Fisher's index number is an ideal index number. So under this, we are given Q0, P1, Q1 and P1. So for our question, we are in need of Q0, P0, P1, Q0, P0, Q1, P1, Q1. And Q is needed. Q is nothing but Q1 plus Q0 by 2. Q1 plus Q0 is given here. So, we also need P1Q, P0Q, P1Q0 plus Q1, P0 into Q0 plus Q1. Now, going from the first column, P0, Q0. So, P0, 4 into Q0, 40. 4 into 40, 160. 3 into 15, 45. 6 into 20, 120. 5 into 30, 150. The total, 475. P1, Q0. P1, 3 into 40. That is 120. 4 into 15, 60. 5 into 20, 100. 2 into 30, 60. Which totals to 340. Then P0, Q1. This is nothing but 4 into 35, 140. 3 into 20, 60. 6 into 15, 90. 5 into 25, 125. The summation of P0, Q1 is 415. Then P1, Q1 is nothing but 3 into 35, 105. 4 into 20, 80. 5 into 15, 75, 2 into 25, 50, which totals to 310. Q is nothing but 40 plus 35 by 2, 15 plus 20 by 2, 20 plus 15 by 2, 30 plus 25, that is 55 by 2, which is 27.5. This is how we got the value of Q. Now, Q1 plus Q0. Q1 plus Q0, 35 plus 40, that's 75. 20 plus 15, 35. 15 plus 20, 35. 25 plus 30, 55. P1, Q. This is nothing but P1 into Q. P1 is 3 into Q, 37.5. 4 into 17.5, 5 into 17.5, 2 into 27.5. So, this is how we get P1Q and it totals to 325. Next we have P0Q. So, P0Q is nothing but P0, 4 into Q, 37.5, 3 into 17.5, 6 into 17.5, 5 into 27.5. So this is how we get this column. And then Q0 plus Q1 is already there, 75 into P1, 3, so 225. 35 into 4, 140. 35 into 5, 175. 55 into 2, 110. The total 650. Similarly, Q0 plus Q1, that is this column, into P0. So 75 into 4, 300. 35 into 3, 105. 35 into 6, 210. 55 into 5, 275, which totals to 890. Now that we have finished all the columns, all we have to do is to substitute the values in our formula and get our answer. So as per last year's formula is 340 by 475 into 100. So the index is 71.57895. In Pashi's method, it is 310 by 415 into 100, which is equal to 74.6988. In Fisher's method, it is 340 by 475 into 310 by 415 in root of the whole thing into 100. So this comes to 73.122. Under Dorbish method, it is half of last year's and Pashi's. So half into 340 by 475 plus 310 by 415 into 100. So this would be equal to 73.1384. Then Marshall Edwards formula goes as 650 by 890 into 100, which comes to 73.034. Kelly's 325 by 445 into 100, which is equal to 73.0337. Now, testing the using Fisher's ideal method, testing the time reversal test, we do P01 into P10. So to prove this, we have substituted the values under our time reversal test as 340 by 475 into 310 by 415 into 415 by 310 into 475 by 340. All these 340 cancels, 475 cancels, 310 cancels, 315 and 315 cancels. So it's root of 1, which is 1, and hence P01 into P10 is equal to 0 is proved. Now for the factor reversal test, we have to reverse the factors and we are going to substitute the values. So while substituting the values, we will be proving that the factor reversal test is proved. So as per the factor reversal test, 340 by 475 into 310 by 415 into 415 by 475 into 310 by 340 is equal to root of 310 squared by 475 squared, which is nothing but 310 by 475, that is 0.6526, which is the left hand side, and the right hand side is V01, which also comes to 0.6526. So the left hand side is equal to the right hand side, and hence the factor reversal test is also proved using Fisher's ideal index number. So thank you and happy learning. Thank you.